Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing the importance of aviation human factors in aircraft maintenance. Aircraft maintenance is a critical part of ensuring safe and efficient air travel. However, it's not just the mechanical components of an aircraft that need to be maintained. The human factor also plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and reliability of an aircraft. Aviation human factors refer to the various psychological and physical factors that can impact a person's performance in aviation, including aircraft maintenance. These factors can range from fatigue, stress, and distraction to communication breakdowns, inadequate training, and complacency. Aircraft maintenance technicians must be aware of these human factors and take steps to mitigate their impact. For example, they need to ensure that they are well rested and alert when performing maintenance tasks. They also need to communicate effectively with other technicians, pilots, and air traffic controllers to avoid misunderstandings that could lead to mistakes. In addition, training plays a crucial role in ensuring that maintenance technicians are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to perform their duties safely and efficiently. This includes training on new technologies and procedures, as well as recurrent training to ensure that skills remain sharp over time. Complacency is another human factor that can be particularly dangerous in aircraft maintenance. When technicians perform the same tasks repeatedly, they may become less attentive and more prone to making mistakes. To combat this, it's important to maintain a culture of safety and encourage all team members to remain vigilant at all times. In conclusion, aviation human factors are a critical aspect of aircraft maintenance. By being aware of these factors and taking steps to mitigate their impact, technicians can help ensure that aircraft remain safe, reliable, and efficient. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.